Two payroll giants, each trusted by thousands of businesses. Who should handle your paychecks in 2025? Gusto or ADP? Which one really delivers? On the left, Gusto. Effortless payroll and HR made easy for small businesses. On the right, ADP, the enterprise-ready powerhouse trusted by some of the biggest companies. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. By the end, you'll see exactly which provider comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's a quick look at what we're comparing. Price, who they're best for, features and HR tools, global capabilities, customer support, user experience, and integrations. So, we've got the basics and a few spicy extras covered. Let's kick things off with price. Gusto is super upfront about costs. It's all right there, no secrets. You're looking at $40 a month base, plus $6 per employee, and that's for their core plan. No setup fees, which honestly is such a relief. The catch? If you need all the bells and whistles, those higher plans can get a bit pricey. So watch out. Now, ADP's a whole different vibe. It's made for big teams. So if you've got 50+ employees, the rates can get pretty competitive. You can even negotiate your quote if you're enterprise size. But, and this is a big but, the pricing is kind of a labyrinth. It's variable, kind of complex, and there aren't many details up front. Also, every little extra adds up fast. Winner here is Gusto, just for keeping things clear and simple. Who's this stuff actually made for? Gusto screams startups and small businesses. It's super simple, onboarding's easy, and you don't need a consultant to get started. The downside? If you're a big, complex company, those features might not cut it. Now, ADP goes all in for bigger organizations. It actually thrives when things get complicated. Think multi-state payroll or switching hundreds of employees. But for tiny teams, it's like bringing a battleship to a fishing trip. So maybe overkill for most of us. ADP takes this round for versatility and heavy-duty support. Let's talk features and HR tools, because honestly, that's what keeps payroll from becoming a weekly nightmare. Gusto's got all-in-one payroll, employees onboard themselves, you even get benefits baked right in. It's solid for basics, but if you want deep dive HR, like full-on management suites and PEO stuff, not so much. ADP, this thing is a beast. You name it. Compliance tracking, talent pipelines, document management, there's full-service retirement and insurance. Downsides? Sometimes you need to grab extra modules, and yeah, the interface can be a bit intimidating if you're new. But for feature depth, ADP wins. Quick pause. Did you know ADP processes payroll for, get this, 1 in 6 US employees? That's wild. Meanwhile, Gusto's already paid out over $200 billion in salaries since they got going. If you love fun facts, there's one to stick on your mental corkboard. Global power. How do these two stack up if you're paying people overseas? Gusto's actually pretty impressive with international contractor payments. You can send money to people in more than 120 countries. Plus, it works with global partners. So, honestly, that's awesome for most smaller businesses. Full-scale payroll everywhere? Not quite. You'll probably need a separate tool for that. Now, ADP nails US payroll. Seriously. But their global arm mainly runs through third-party add-ons. Contractor stuff isn't as smooth, and full-on global payroll, not their strongest suit. Oddly enough, Gusto walks away with the win here for ease and reach. Customer support. Oh man, this is always make or break, right? Gusto is good here. Chat and phone support for everybody, and it's a breeze for small teams. The kicker? If you need big, enterprise-level guarantees, they're just not as intense as ADP. On the other hand, ADP is like, we got payroll specialists, we got premium service, we'll hold your hand for onboarding, especially if your business is massive. But for smaller users, you might get lost in the complexity. Still, ADP's extra muscle wins the round. User experience now. Gusto totally nails it. Everything's modern, super friendly, and honestly, you'll figure things out in minutes. They keep it snappy and light, which is honestly all you want in payroll. Advanced functions? Yeah, there are limits, but it's the cleanest ride for everyday stuff. Meanwhile, ADP is polished and professional, tons of modules you can tweak, but let's be real, it can get overwhelming if you're small or not exactly tech-forward. Gusto grabs the win for keeping things feeling fresh and easy. Last up, integrations. So with Gusto, you get all the popular links. QuickBooks, Xero, accounting apps, time trackers, the stuff most small and mid-sized teams need. There aren't as many ERP links once you go full enterprise. Sure, ADP, though, kind of rules the enterprise world when it comes to integrations. You've got ERPs, benefit systems, accounting, all of it. Downside? It does take a little more work to set everything up. In this category, we gotta call it a tie.
because honestly, both get the job done for their target audiences. Here's our side-by-side breakdown on the radar chart. Gusto shines on pricing, global reach, and user experience, while ADP brings the muscle for features, enterprise support, and heavy-duty operations. Integrations both hold their own, so who's in your corner really depends on your business size and how much firepower you need. So, bottom line, if you're a small or growing business and you just want something modern, simple, with no weird pricing surprises, Gusto's probably your best bet. But if you're wrangling a big team, need advanced HR, or just love that enterprise compliance comfort, honestly, ADP is tough to beat. Think about what matters most for your setup. Want to take your payroll to the next level? Test drive a demo or grab a quote and see what fits your team. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more of these no-nonsense tech breakdowns. There's plenty more where this came from.